Welcome to CodeFix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how do I sort a dictionary by value. In Python, dictionaries are inherently unordered collections. However, you can sort the items in a dictionary by value and create a sorted list of items using the sorted function along with a custom key argument. Here's an example. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In the above example, the my_dict dictionary is sorted by values in ascending order, and the sorted items are stored in the sorted_items list. The key argument is set to a lambda function that specifies the sorting criterion, which in this case is the second element of each item, i.e., the value of the dictionary item. You can modify the key argument to sort in descending order or by any other custom sorting criterion as needed. Note that the resulting sorted_items is a list of tuples where each tuple contains a key value pair from the original dictionary, sorted by the values. If you want the result as a dictionary, you can convert the list of tuples back to a dictionary using a dictionary comprehension or by passing it to the dict constructor, like this. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.